Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A36. First we need to open Play Store, then click on the search icon, then on the search bar write Firefox, click on it, install. Now just wait a little bit. Now just click open, agree and continue. If you want, you can set it as a default browser. I'm gonna cancel. Not now, not now, not now. Save and continue, save and continue. And it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.